to say The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. First chapter, listening and reading, grammar and writing. Let us begin. So first one is grammar. In grammar, first bit, read the following sentence and note the underlined word. Let's read. It's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is quietest among all the villages in our district. The underlined words are objective, but they are in different degrees of compassion. The first one is in positive degree, the second and the third are in comparative degree and superlative degree representedly. So in here we have objectives in underlined word, but they are in different degrees. First degree is positive degree, next comparative degree, next superlative. In positive degree we get only quiet, in superlative degree we get quieter, means in last er we have to add, in superlative degree we get quietest, means we have to add est. Next we have here some bits of positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Here is a list of objectives. Write the other degrees of them. The first one is done for you. Use a dictionary and check your work. Okay, we have to complete it. First one is done for us. First one is dark, darker, darkest. Now we have to write second one. The second one is small. So I said first only we have to write in comparative degree er, in superlative degree est. So the answer is small, smaller, smallest. Next one, rich, richer, richest. Next one, safe, safer, safest. Next one, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Next one, tall, taller, tallest. Next one, bright, brighter, brightest. After this, here we have another bit. This is also same, but in this degrees, in comparative degree, first of the word we have to write more. In superlative degree we have to write first most. Okay, we will start. First one is done for us already. Useful, more useful, most useful. Okay, next one, beautiful. I said first only. Before word we have to write most in comparative degree. In superlative degree most we have to write beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Next one, interested, more interested, most interested. Next one, boardful, more boardful, most boardful. Next one, previously, more previously, most previously. Next one, delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Next one, dareful, more dareful, most dareful. Next one, cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. Next also we have positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Here is also same like up one. So here we have to write. So first one is done for us. Much, more, most. Next one, in first we get most, more, much, more, most. They change it, but the meaning is same. So next one, good, better and best. Next one, bad, worst, worst. Next one, far, further, farthest. Next bit, first one, read the following sentence and say what their meaning. Choose the correct answer from the choices given below. First one, may I come in, sir? Option A, giving permission. Option C, taking permission. Option C, expressing possibility. So the answer is option B, taking permission. Next, second one, Sindhu may come to India next month. Giving permission, taking permission, expressing possibility. So the answer is C. Third one, you may use my call phone if you need. Option A, giving permission. Option C, taking permission. Option C, expressing possibility. So the answer is option A, giving permission. Next, fourth one, can I take leave for you? Option A, taking permission in a formal way. Option B, taking permission in an informal way. Option C, expressing possibilities. So the answer is option B. Next, fifth one, the dog may track you if you run. Option A, giving permission. Option B, taking permission. Option C, expressing the possibilities. So the answer is C. Next, second one, rewrite the following sentence as directly. So first one is done for us. First one, the boy Sam to cry if you do not buy a ice cream for him. Answer, the boy may cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. So here we have to add anywhere may. Anywhere you can add, but the sentence should be meaningful. So second one, we will try second one. You can use my camera if you need. So here we have to add may. So you can add here, you may use my camera if you need. Next one, third one, he Sam to be a nice man. You can add here also may. He may be a nice man. Next one, fourth one, you want to leave the class now? May I leave the class now? Fifth one, Raju want to use your water bottle. You may use my water bottle if you need. Okay. Next one. Next bit. Now express the wish of the people meadow below using unreal past. So we have means there were some sentence in there they were wishing, so that wishes we have to write in the blanket. So first one is done for us. Second one we will read and we will write the answer. Anit want to abolish the system of exam. He wished to be the prime minister. Who want Anit expressed? How was Anit expressed? So Anit wished. Answer, I wish I was the prime minister. Next one, Sinu's father had a car. She wished to drive, but she do not know how to drive a car. How would expressed? So answer, I wish my father give me a car. I knew how to drive a car. You can write anyone. Next, fourth one, Shimla want to play tennis, but she do not have a tennis racket. How would Shimla expressed his wish? Answer: I wish I had a tennis racket. Fifth one, Madhura want to get first rank in the class, but he cannot. He cannot. How would Madhura expressed his wish? Answer: I wish I got first rank in the class. Next one, second one, listening and speaking. First one, an old student of your class visiting your school, your teacher introducing her to your children's like this. So there was a teacher, there was an old student of the school. He came to the school and his teacher introducing her to you like this. So here the teacher is introducing the old student. My dear students, look who is here. This is Kumari Nitya. I am very happy to introduce him to you. He was my student. I mean, an old and a student of this school. You know, she is now working as a software engineer in a big company. When I remember Nitya, I see a pretty little girl with a two plates sitting in the first row, eagerly waiting for a chance to speak. She would answer any question at the drop of a hat. When I talked to other, she would become restless and went on saying ma'am, 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 throwing his hand into air. No wonder she passed SSC in first class and scored more than 550 marks. I hope you have seen his name in our HM's room. Have not? Going by his marks, do not think she is just a bookworm. She did equally well in sports and gaming. She held our school kabaddi team to state level competition. There are not there are many other things that I would like to share with you, but I am leaving them, especially the naughty things for him to say to share with you. Now Anita will address. Anita. So this is the listening and speaking. Next one, writing. First one, write a letter to your friend, invite him or him to your village to spend summer holidays. Write about your family and the place where you will take him or her. So here we have to write a letter to your friends. So the answer is so here we have to write a letter to your friends. Second one, imagine you were the town mouse and country mouse and write a description of your visit. So we have to write like summary. You have to think like a town mouse and country mouse and write a description. The answer is you have to